so worried about the pitch.
All right, so here we go. The better one on the left.
Okay.
You can see that we made a grip change. You got your grip just a little bit stronger right in here.
Okay.
Where that left hand's just a touch weak. But the big difference is we got you a little bit more balanced at address. We can see that we're already starting to sneak over to the right side, and that's what we want to see.
Right.
So here at this point, we can see here how much more you've already moved to the right and the left. So as this club goes up, this is where we're going to really start to see the difference. You can really see how you're turning over your right leg and the left. So we see a completely different spine angle right here, where we're tilted a little bit to the right. We're pretty well straight up and down here, actually a little bit beyond it in that fashion. And all we did to do that was just get you to feel that when you're on your backswing that you're over your right leg. Now as we come down, even though this one on the right was still a decent shot, we're going to see that it's going to bring it a much steeper angle of approach.
What more lag?
Well, you know, what we want is for the club to be moving this way, as we've talked many times about getting that club to move down. So there we can really see how we're on that left side. No chance of hitting behind it. Versus this one here where we're not so much on our left side. We're leaning this way, but not as much as we would like to see. So let's make sure that the grip stays that way so we don't lose them right. Keep that left hand where it needs to be. And then we're just looking for that feeling that we see with Elkington, which is right here where we see how that moves right on the right. So it's the same thing here we see with Annika. Just see how that starts to move over that right side. And it's nothing that you really pick up on when you watch golf. You know, when you study it like us, crazy people, you see it right there too. And now we can see it right here. And now even when we look at it, it's still not as pronounced as the other places, right? But other than that, I mean, your setup looks solid, like we've talked about. Your stance is a little bit more under control now. You don't look as wide. Here we can see we've already snuck a little bit because we're working on that. Put your heads back behind it, your left shoulder's high. You know, we keep our grip on the golf club to make sure that our ball turns.
Keep the left arm hand.
Just holding it more on the fingertips.
Fingers and over.
Just hold it more on the fingertips. And then, you know, we want to always get that feel, no matter what club it is, that we're moving into the right leg, that we're feeling turning off the right. We can work up off the ground with that right leg, just like that, to get you over to your left side, and make sure that we strike down.
Yeah.